And she found me that time I was crying. And I tried to hide my face. But it was 12:10. And I felt heavy. And I wept. I felt heavy. And I took my phone. Not phone like Dion because the shape Dion is Dion, yes. I took my phone, which is now phone, and then the phone rang on my head. But you see, I felt heavy. And I was crying about my thing. What's about unsupported. You understand? I stood up and I said to somebody, I knew she was gone. And when we came to the hospital, my speaker stated, she was so beautiful, with a smile on her face. And a smile. She still has that smile. I went to see her the other day at the mortuary. She's still smiling. Ungathi uzwe lobuhlungu ngoba masikahamba uthi Dion uphakamisa amehlo wabuka phezulu wasiyavala wavala nomlomo wasmile with that smile. Manje mangibuka kunento lethi ubonile umuzi kaZulu. Uthe makathi uphakamisa amehlo wawubona umuzi kaZulu. Lo muzi makawubona wabamuhle lo muzi. Wasiyaphuma kulo mzimba odliwa ukhulu wangena kulo wayamzimba ubonile umuzi. I said to my children, I said to the children, I said, you know what, I wish I could just go every day to the hospital, to the morgue and just to the mortuary and just she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. May she rest in God's presence eternally. I thank God for giving me this blessing. I have no complaints. I know she's not here. But allow me to say thank you, my love. Thank you for loving me, for standing with me, for supporting me, for praying with me, for believing in me, for bringing the best out of me. Thank you, my love. You are the queen of my castle. Thank you, Sema Pool. And lastly, Sbomi Okozi. If I don't mention you, I would have made a mistake. Thank you. Sbomi approached Zanele and brought her to Ukozi. Zanele, one of the things she wanted to do was to go back to Ukozi. One of the things. And Sbomi made it possible. What you did for my wife is the greatest gift. She loved radio with passion. She didn't do radio for money. She didn't care. She never talked about that. She just loved to be behind the mic. Siabo Gospel. Because FM Siabo. And I want you to know, let me just make this clear. Agabo othakathi uZanele. Ukhozi alumthakathanga. Abantu basokhozile abamthakathanga. uZanele uDaku noSonela akhetha. Uhambile ngoba uNkulunkulu umbizi. Sonke asazi. So everyone know this. Akukho uthakathi noma okubi amenze kona Nkosi. Abantu basokhozile bonke, they have been good to her and very precious to her. And she spoke well of all of you. Just want to make that clear so that all of you know. Akathakathwa uhambe ngokuthi benganalo and was option. It's not witchcraft. And lastly, ngamkhulekela idala kaSibela abanye babuzana bathi sasinayo ukuthi you shall live, you shall not die. Ngasho vele ngoba ngumuntu weBhayibheli.